Yes, well, you are right. I'm from Canada, one of the richest countries in the world, and we're well known to be mean. Yes, and if you're thinking, just think about that. Most of the rich countries, people are really mean. They don't care about your problems. If you're gonna come to them on the streets to ask for real help, like imagine something really happens, and then you just genuinely want to ask for help, they're just gonna pass away. It's a big city, everybody's rushed, a lot of money in there. But in the small country somewhere which is poor, there's no money, which is no money. People are poor, they're eating dust. They're gonna help you out, wash you. All people are gonna come around you to help you. They just feel like as more money you get, as more soul you lose and kindness you lose. They're not rich, they hide. So true. Welcome to Morocco. Okay, let's go last set of this. Let's go. Last set, and we're done with this for today. And then we do last exercise for like maybe chest or maybe biceps, but I think not chest, maybe shoulders. I think we might do the shoulder. Maybe. And one more time. Okay, a little lower, like this. Okay, let's go. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh shit, I can't. Ah, that burns. Okay, so let's put this away. It's a good pain, but annoying pain. Good job. Thank you. Okay, and then 2 more. We'll go. And one more. Whew. Oh, fuck it, finally. Oof. That was tough. Hi. I don't have a chicken tattoo, it's a dinosaur. Hello. No, those were 20 on each side. 40 kilograms on each side. I don't think 20 kilograms plates exist. Hi, mommy. That's what I say to my box trainer. So I have a box trainer, and each time when I train with her, I say, yes, mommy. And each time I say something mommy related. So I don't know, it looks like a chicken. It is a dinosaur. Maybe you didn't look at it right, but it is a, oh, like the sun. I like this song actually. Is it a leg day? No, it's a full body day. I was supposed to do Bulgarian split squat, then blade press and extension, and then and then the upper body. But it all mixed up because machines were busy. 20 kilograms in each hand is not bad to BH. They're just the matter of handle. You can even carry 50 kilograms in one arm. It's just a matter of how good the handle is. So my bicycle is 18 kilograms and it's just impossible to carry that shit. Even though that I would carry this 18 kilograms in just my little finger, but it's just uncomfortable handle. No, I didn't finish yet, so I'm just relaxing a little bit, if that's okay. You're looking like you're getting a real quick quality workout though. Yeah, that's true. More or less. I'm just thinking about, I want to do one more exercise, not 6. I decided that today I'm going to do just 5, and I'm thinking about which one last exercise to do for the upper body, but I don't know which one yet. I don't know which one. So do a challenge. Any other women in there? Yeah, a lot, but they're in the right part of the gym. There is just one, but the rest are in the right part of the gym. Shoulder press would be good. Shoulder press I can. So I did 10, 10, 40. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I did only 4. And then 5th one, let's do the shoulder press. Shoulder press. Last time I did that with 12.5. 12.5. Gotta be 10. Let's try that. Women knew Alexander was coming. They thought it would be unfair competition. That's what he said. Bring that journal to your doctor if your knees start hurting. My